Introducing Teamwork Time, Group Activities for Sight Words. Students come to school to make their brains stronger. Your brain gets stronger when you read, write, and spell sight words. Sight words are words we know right away when we see them. And our brains get stronger when we work together as a team. What materials does your group need? You will need a teamwork time mat, a whiteboard or something to write on, whiteboard markers or something to write with, and letters. Who will lead our group? One student will be crowned the word master. Their job is to read the directions for each activity and check the boxes as students complete them. What activities will our group complete? Activity 1. Say, spell, say.
Say, spell, say the. The. T-H-E, the.
The. T-H-E. The.
The. T-H-E, the.
Activity 2. Write the sight word 3 times.
Write the 3 times.
Activity 3. Write the sight word without looking 3 times.
Write the without looking 3 times.
No peeking. Activity 4. Find letters and build the sight word.
Find letters and build the word the.
Activity 5. Mix the letters, then fix them 3 times.
Mix the letters, then fix them 3 times.
Activity
6. Say the sight word in a sentence.
Say the in a sentence.
I see the apple.
I ate the apple. I threw the apple.
Organize the materials when you're done. Good work. Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.